Today we're going to do something a little unusual. To understand what is the cloud, we are first going to imagine a world without the cloud. I'm Tamara, and my mission is to make IT accessible and simple for everyone. Now picture this. It's the year 2000, you have just built Airbnb and you are ready to put it online on airbnb.com. But not so fast. As we have discovered in our last video, every website needs servers. Launching a site like Airbnb, you had often to buy or lease servers. Could take weeks to arrive, and once it did, you'd have to set it up yourself in a physical location. And then came the hard part. You had to keep it running smoothly, secure and online 24/7. And let's not forget backups. You'd need duplicator servers in another location just in case of a fire in your first location. Double the cost, effort and stress. Now imagine Airbnb blows up with 1 million of users, which is amazing, right? But your servers can't handle the big traffic anymore, so your site slows down or crashes. And the fix? Get more servers. But if traffic drops again, you are now stuck maintaining expensive hardware you don't even need, just in case demand spikes later. Enter cloud computing. Instead of owning your own servers, you rent just the parts you need, like memory or processing power. Companies like Amazon, AWS, or smaller players run massive data centers, and they realized they could rent out their infrastructures to other businesses. So you need more storage, often just a few clicks and it's done. You can choose to back up across multiple locations, so even if one server fails, you're covered. It is flexible, instant, and always ready for what your business needs. And cloud data centers can be like Fort Knox, with physical and digital security measures to protect your data. They might even help you with regulations like GDPR or HIPAA. And the best part is, you only pay what you use, like an electricity bill. So if traffic dips, you can scale down your costs. So no more wasting money on unused hardware. But it is not all rainbows and supercomputers. And there are also many concerns when it comes to the cloud. So let's have a look. First, there is control. Storing data in the cloud means trusting a third party with your information. So we all know data is gold. And this feels a little bit like handing over the key to your vault. Also, where exactly is your data stored? And what are the laws there? For industries like finance or healthcare, this can create legal or ethical complications. And then the cost creep. The cloud's pay-as-you-go model sounds great. But if you're not careful, costs can sneak up on you. All those amazing features like backups in multiple locations, extra securities, come at a price. Providers charge for every little piece you use. Your bill can grow faster than you'd expect. Another big one is vendor lock-in. Imagine building your entire system using one specific cloud provider. If you ever need to switch providers, you're looking at a potentially very expensive and time-consuming migration. So cloud computing is a powerful tool, but it is not a one-size-fits-all solution. In an upcoming video, we will discuss key considerations that you should evaluate before moving to the cloud. If you like more simple breakdowns of technology, follow me for more.